Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to contour your face in the FaceApp in 2026. Do you want a sharper and more defined face? Contouring can enhance your features and FaceApp makes it easy for you by following these few simple steps. Now before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the FaceApp application. You're just gonna go to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Then you're gonna look for the FaceApp Perfect Face Editor application developed by FaceApp Technology Ltd. Once you find it, you're going to make sure to click on the install button and wait for the installation to be completed. Then you're going to launch the app, and after that you're going to grant the app the permission to access your gallery and also your camera, so you can take pictures or upload them from your gallery. Now once you choose that, you're going to upload your photo by choosing your photo from here. Then in the bottom toolbar, you're gonna see a toolbar that has a lot of options, a lot of tools. You're gonna choose the makeup tool from this toolbar right here. You can even adjust it here like this. Then you're gonna choose the makeup here, and then you're gonna have all these styles. You're gonna have the original, the makeup, the winged eyeliner, the contouring, etc. So you want to do the contouring, so you're gonna choose the contouring. Now the contouring requires a premium version of the FaceApp, so make sure to upgrade to the premium version to be able to access this feature right here. So you're gonna select the contour and apply it and adjust the intensity in your photo and save your edited photo. Now keep contour subtle for realism and avoid extreme settings. Also use good lighting. Contouring enhances your natural features, so try it easily with your FaceApp and find your best look. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.